Well, it seems to glow when I shoot it. I don't know. Okay, the turrets. Die before I do. Gosh. Oh, bloody. Well, this time I'm gonna win because I know what I'm doing now. Bloody. Look how easy. No, it's not easy, I'm just too good. Gosh! Go away! Oh for fuck. Oh for fuck. Good! Why doesn't this planet blow up? Because it just fell. Don't take a picture of me and then eat me.
Men, you are about to embark on a very dangerous mission.
Danger.
We will be launching a heavily armed surprise attack from our new moon base against a completely unarmed planet. Actually, that doesn't sound too dangerous. Nevertheless, your orders are simple. Destroy anything that moves.
Oh.
Steal the power generators from Gorda City. Then destroy anything that doesn't move. Oh, and don't forget, have fun.
I'm trying to have fun.
And stop Drek. No, we have to get to the moon base to find Quark.
Oh.
Drek is there, Quark is probably with him.
Here we go.
Drek is going to destroy that city. We must get to the base.
That's what I said.
No, that is what I said.
Fine.
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 Shut up! I haven't even fully explored this land. Boxes. I'm going all this way for them. Oh look, mines as well. That works. Good. Today I learned. So like, how do I get back to my ship swiftly? Maybe I can just drop down here somewhere. Yeah, I guess so. Ah! I'm on the roof. Wow! I was on the roof. Sorry, Crash Bandicoot death there. Oh! Fluff buckets. Thanks, camera. ammo that I don't need, thanks. If I even need any ammo at all. And then it doesn't matter if I don't. What does that do? Oh. No, ice physics. Happy day. Except not. Ah! Oh, the others turned off. Wait. Hurry up. Meow, the most annoying ice physics in any game. If you can name one worse, then fine. You should do that. Oh. Bloody hell. Excuse me. How much closer do I need to be to touch it? I was right on top of it. Ah, whatever. Thank you. Random platform of nothing. Money! Where has this come from? No, don't question it. Free money is free money. You wouldn't question it in real life. Do I go over there? I guess so, later. Yeah. Oh. I see. Hop. Go. Whoa. No. No! Why do I need ammo for that now? I couldn't pick it up earlier. Whoa! Skill upgrade. I have had one. I'm floating above the ice. Whoa. I'm floating above the ice. Bom bom. Yum. This will be easy. Oh. 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 Yeah. Oh. Oh no, it's a friendly guy.
Oh, Tick.
Is there a problem, sir?
Obviously.
Y'all wouldn't have any spare parts, would you?
Help yourself.
These dang rocks are too tough. Keep breaking my drill.
Looks fine to me.
Is where it is.
Let me look at that trail.
Punch!
Well, shoot my dog and call me Sally.
Why would I?
Thanks, partner.
No problem. I suppose I can take that rock off your hands, too.
Heck, here you go.
Thanks, man. I didn't even have to do anything. The cutscene did it all for me. It's my favourite kind of game. When it does that. Is that it? Yeah, good. I can go now and I can end the stream. What's this? Why is there a target on it? Bum. Ooh. dragon milk would be even better, because dragons are the best of anything. I'll have to have a milk off someday. What? Sounds weird.
It is time to begin your new assignment.
Ah, a photo op by your shiny new shuttle. Terrific idea.
No, it isn't. Oh no, it's Finger in the Hole Man.
What?
You are to take that shuttle to the moon base and ambush those two miscreants when they arrive.
Oh, yes. Who are they again?
Those two!
Oh, of course. There is just one problem. I'm,
Too washed up for ground combat? True. That is why I will be loaning you my starfighter.
Oh,
Can still fly, can't you? It's settled then. You will acquire the starfighter once you get to the moon. Screw this up, and the endorsement deal is off.
but that would ruin me. You wouldn't.
Try me.
what the moo? The bad guy's gotten more mouldy coloured as the game has gone on. I thought he was like lighter coloured at the start of the game. Now he's a mouldy, wrinkly, dark browny red colour or something. Gemlick base. Optional mission. No. Here we are.
We must have missed him.
Ah, who knows where Quark is now?
Right here.
We're gonna catch those two? We need a faster ship.
Perhaps this space station will supply the ship we need.
Well, we're here. Let's go check it out.
Oh, we need a faster ship and we just happen to be on a ship station or whatever he said. Or maybe he said space station, in which case it would be far less convenient than I was thinking.
I got some great plans for you.
Anyway,
Oh, that's a nice one.
I don't need any ammo. Oh, good. Right, that's that then. It's the end of the stream. Why is save in options? I mean, I guess it's an option to save, but still. I'm off. For anybody who's actually still paying attention. Bye.